So what are we making, Mum?
Well, I thought we'd try these little caramelised sausage parcels that I used to make when you were little. I've already taken out the sausage meat from the caramelised porkers.
Nice.
So we just sort of grab, I don't know, approximately that, wrap it round with a nice piece of jolly hog streaky bacon.
Nice.
Want to have a go?
I always like the crispy sausage meat on top.
Yeah.
Just grab whatever you think.
Yeah.
Wrap them up. Make sure you wrap it all the way, a whole piece, so it's nice.
Yeah.
And there we go. They're going to be delicious, aren't they? So.
Which one's better out of my lollies, anyway? You know, that's the real thing.
You're not getting me into that.
Do you want me to get these guys in the oven, Mum?
Yes, put them in, probably about 25-30 minutes at about 180, something like that.
Yeah.
We need to keep an eye on them anyway.
Okay, I think it's time to get these out, isn't it? Bit of glazing time. Yeah, with the glazing squad, aren't we?
Oh, they look great.
They look good,
great.
Oh.
So what are we glazing them with?
So this is just a couple of tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of whole grain mustard, bit of oil.
Wait, how big are your tablespoons?
What big? Yeah, let's get these back in.
They look great.
Oh, look at them.
Whoa, look at those.
Just a little bit more glaze, please, Mum. All over.
Oh, it's going to cook as it goes on.
Alright, decent. No.
No glazing there.
Oh, look at that. They put a perfect crust all the way around the outside. Caramelised porker is so good for these types of recipes.
Cool.
And the glaze is
a little bit
spectacular.
nice.
I'm actually just going to go straight into the glaze, just there like that. Bit rogue that, but...
Mum, these are outstanding. So Mum's caramelised onion parcels. These get better and better, don't they?
Every year.
Fantastic.
Tastes
Good.
Christmas.
Should we get them out of the oven? Let's do that again. That's Josh's line.
Strange about that. So.
Yeah.
Fine.
So then. I got him Pringles, he got me a Coolio CD. It was actually the single. He says it was the album. It wasn't.
The bait goes on.
What was it? It was Gangster's Paradise. It was a classic. I get
It's a
that.
classic, yeah.
And I know why he was upset. But
It's
I
biggest
thought I'd get
selling
him something that he really
album by
liked.
Live.
The other one is when Josh, I think he was 18, and we caught him crying upstairs underneath the duvet, blubbing because you didn't get him exactly what he wanted. But he got Glastonbury tickets that year. Remember?
I don't remember how you remember it, mate.
Do you remember when we got a puppy?
Yeah.
That was
oh,
cool.
yeah.
That was great.
Granddad brought the puppy over in a basket, and she was a white Labrador, and she was so sweet.
Yeah, she's super cute.
2, number 3.
Never works.
And
Never
it's
works.
Like, no, it doesn't work, does it?
No. Sprouts?
I like sprouts.
Sprouts can do one.